Hi, good morning everybody. It's Teresa. Welcome to my backyard. So it's getting better out today. It's supposed to get up to 18 degrees. And yesterday we had a terrible ice storm. We had a lot of snow first, then ice pellets, then it poured rain and froze for a little bit, and then it warmed up overnight and it's all gone, which was really good. However, a week ago, well, not even yet a week ago, we got a really bad ice storm in southern Ontario. And some folks were out of power for like 4 days. Some folks are still out of power, and it's pretty bad for them. So I want to wish everybody good luck. So today what we want to do is I've got some dahlias that I've been saving down in the basement, and I've got to get them in pots because they're starting to grow, and I want to see how many actually made it through the winter. So let's get started. So what I did was I put these in just this onion bag. Once they dried out last year, finished growing, I cut them off. I just cut them off and then cleaned them up, put them in a bag. Now you're supposed to water them or spray them every month or so after a few months just to keep them alive. I didn't do that. I only started spraying maybe at the beginning of March, and we're just at the beginning of April now, so they've had about a month worth of spray. But I did notice that some of them were growing, so I thought it probably best. I think, oh, yep, that's all of them. And I thought it probably best to get them started in the ground just to see if they actually have anything left in them. Like this one doesn't look like it does at all. Some of them are really dried out. That one's still good. You can see, let me show you. You can see how it's still solid. Some of these are starting to dry. Like this one, there probably won't be anything come from that one. This one here, it's still solid. It should grow. Some of these, like this one here, I'll actually put in a pot with others to see if they grow. If they do, they do. If they don't, that's okay. Now this one, you can see, nope, that's not part of that one. Got one here. You want to look for mold and mildew and stuff as well. This one has a little bit of mildew on it, so I'm not going to plant that at all. We'll toss it. Look at the size of this one here. This was a great big one. That should go. It's good and solid. So that needs a big pot by itself. This one was one of the ones that I had bought last year in a 12 kit set, and it doesn't look like it's going to grow much, so I probably should have left that one. They won't survive in overwinter here in our area. We're in zone 5B. These ones, yeah, they might. This one, here we go. So this one's actually started. You can see the new shoots coming out. This is nice and solid. Good solid piece there. So we'll put that one in. Here's another one. Just starting. You can see that. And then these few. These look like they're the ones from last year. The 12 set. Lots of roots. But the bulbs themselves are pretty dry. They don't look any good. I don't think any of them are actually going to survive, but we can always put them in. And then here's another one that's just started to grow as well. You can see the spot right here. So these ones will definitely grow. This one here. Try to get as much dirt as you can when you're putting them away. This one has a couple spots. And lots of dirt in there from last year still, because there's lots of roots. Yeah, these ones are broken off. I don't think they're going to be any good, but no harm, no foul. All right, I'm going to need some more pots, so I'm going to have to go back down to the shed to see if there's any there. Just give me a minute. All right, now it's not supposed to rain today, so I've brought it all out to the deck, and let's see what we can do. I got some small pots from the shed for the smaller bulbs. Everything's still wet. All I'm using is just plain black earth, it's called. It's nothing special. This was probably bought at Walmart or someplace, or Home Depot, Canadian Tire, during the winter, because we broke one of our Christmas cactuses and we just regrew some of the other ones, so we needed some more pots. So this one here, let's do these ones that look like they're a little bit dry but aren't. I'm going to do these ones in a small one here. You want to plant it so that your stalk is just above or just about where your ground level is. So you see you still got your stalk from last year just poking out of the top. And there we go, one. Let's try another one. This one doesn't look, that one's not even going to go anything at all, so put that to the side. This one's really soft, but it's still got a bit of a firm chunk. Yeah, we'll try this one. So I'm going to put some soil in the bottom. I'll take this one now. It's got one here on the bottom that's might be good, so we'll put that in. All right, there we go. Two. Now this is a little bit bigger, so let's put in this one here that's growing really well. We're going to put that in a slightly bigger pot. Now these I won't be able to plant outside until after May 24th. That's our guaranteed, well, not guaranteed anymore, but our last frost date, usual last frost date. Did I say May 24th? Yeah, May 24th. There we go. And then we've got this other big one here that I'm going to do. Now I've got this one great big one. This is the one that I had on, look at the size of the stem. This is the one that I had on my deck last year. You've probably seen lots of pictures. So I'm going to put this in a really big pot. And hopefully, this is good and solid still, so hopefully it'll grow again this year. Lots of, oh yeah, it's got an issue coming on it. Little tiny purple one there. These were beautiful dahlias last year. Let's get some dirt in here. So the rest of them I just put all in this one pot. They grow, they grow. They don't, they go in the composter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And hopefully another 5. We'll see. Okay, so there we go. We've got them in the dining room for now. We've watered them and we'll let them sit for a little bit. I've got to set up my lights and shelving downstairs for them to go on, but this is what we've got so far. So thanks for watching, everybody.